Symmetric encryption and decryption technique. Both of these you can see there is a sender, there is a receiver. Both have the same secret key K. Both of them have same secret key K. When sender sending a plain text X, let's say plain text X, and secret key K, using both of them, a encryption function or mathematical encryption algorithm, basically is here E represent an encryption function. It's a mathematical function. Using that encryption function and key K and plain text X will give the sender a cipher text. Then that cipher text C will be sent to the receiver. After receiver receiving the cipher text C, it applies the decryption function. D here is the decryption function or decryption algorithm, mathematical function basically it is. So using the same secret key K and the cipher text C and apply the decryption function, it will produce the same plain text X in the receiver side. So point to be noted here, this is a symmetric key encryption or decryption technique. For both the encryption and decryptions, same key K used. K and plain text S. In the encryption function, we will give ciphertext C. In the sender side, sender send the ciphertext C, and receiver receiving the ciphertext. It's apply description function using both the ciphertext C and K, and produce the same plain text X. Okay? This is a simple model to understand the symmetricity encryptions. Now, classical encryption or decryption technique, or I will say classical cryptographic technique, are mainly two types. One is called substitutions. Another is called transposition. So in the classical cryptographic technique are very old cryptographic technique. These are used in 90s or early 90s. Nowadays, these techniques are not used in computer networking security. But we have to understand all the technique, because based on this technique, the modern techniques are actually formed or designed. So, in the classical cryptographic technique means for the encryption or decryption, substitutions is one of the method, and another method is transpositions. In substitutions, mainly there are many substitution techniques available, but we will talk mainly 4 substitution technique. First one is called Caesar cipher technique. Caesar cipher technique. Okay. Next one is called monoalphabetic technique. Monoalphabetic technique. Third one is the Playfair. Okay, and fourth one is beginner cipher. Playfair cipher. And beginner cipher. Let me just cross check the spelling of all the techniques.
Cipher CYPHE. कंपनी का काम तो बड़ी आईडी का क्विज कैसे वो करते हैं लेकिन हमारे नहीं ना.
So, Caesar cipher, okay, monoalphabetic cipher, yeah, it's okay. Beginner cipher and Playfair cipher, okay, and transposition are mainly two types we will talk. One is rail fence. Another one is rope column. Rail fence and rope column. So all these techniques are mainly used for encryption and de-encryptions. So mainly two types, substitution and transposition. As the name suggests, you will understand substitution means something will be substituted by something. So there are four techniques in the substitutions: scissor cipher, monoalphabetic, Greyfire and beginner. Let me talk about first one, scissor cipher. Classic algorithm inspired by the Julius Caesar, inspired from Julius Caesar. This technique actually Julius Caesar used in his military communications. Julius Caesar has a military unit. So one area to another area, if the military people want to communicate, they use this technique for encryption and decryption purpose, so that enemy cannot decode their language. So this technique networking security में भी use होता है, but अभी these are obsolete. Okay, first one is the scissor cipher. I have already told this technique, but let me mathematically establish the technique. So in this technique, basically, a plain text, let's say plain text P and a key K. So in the plain text, let's say hello. In this plain text, let's say it's an array. So this position is P0. This one is the P1, P2, P3, P4. So let me just tell that any position will be signified as Pi. Okay? And the key K. K is just a number. Either it's a number like it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5. It's actually telling the positions. The number actually signifies the positions. Now, in this scissor cipher, encryption will happen. A plain text letter Pi and a key K. This mathematical function is actually expand as Pi position of a plain text letter plus the key value modulus. This percentage signifies modulus. Modulus 26. This 26 is the total number of letters in English alphabet. Okay? So this is I have already shown, but let me show again mathematically. So in scissor cipher, this is how the encryption will work. Okay? Let me give an example. Let's have all the English letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. give a numbering of all the positions starting with 0. So let me give the position numbering. 0th position A, first is B, second position is C and so on. So total 26 letters starting with the 0, the last will be 25. Okay? The last position will be 25. Now in this, let's say I want to encrypt hello. My plain text P is hello. So what will be the cipher text for this? So use this encryption function. So let's choose H. So H plus K, let's say K is 3. K is given as 3. So H plus K, percentile 26. Basically this is the position of H and the value of K. So H is here 7. K is 3, just add it, modulus 26, which will give you 7 plus 3, 10, 10 mod 26, what will be that? All you know, I think. This I will not read this. You all know. You done many courses, at most all the courses contain what is modulus functions. Okay, 10. So H will be replaced a letter which is present in the 10th number position. Who is with that? K. So just replace H with K. Okay? Now tell me what will be the position for L? L is 11 positions.
0 plus 3, 14.
O. No, E. Get me first E.
H.
So I think it will be give KH double O. O will be R. So cipher text will be this. Just replacing each of the letter of the plain text with the encryption function, and we got this. We pick H first, transfer to K, encryption algorithm में K transfer हुआ है, then E, then L, then E. Any doubt? Okay. So this is the cipher encryption technique. And let me tell you, let's say in any plain text the letter came Y. Y का position क्या है? 24. Let's say your key value is 3. What it will give?
27 modulus.
27, which will be modulus with 26, which will be 1. So it will be replaced with B. So Y appear, then it will be replaced by B using these functions. Okay? Now, can you tell me, for a particular letter of the plain text, what is the maximum number of possible shift possible? What is the maximum number shift possible for a particular letter in a plain text?
25.
Huh?
25. 26.
See, age, let's make age. Age could be either H So the shift is 0,
Any of the
H would be 1, shift is 1, like that, how many?
26.
26 possible shifts.
is loading in.
So, someone you know that Sikha Cipher used, applying the brute force method. See here, if one letter is shifting 3, all other letter also shifting 3. So if you can decode the one letter shift, you can decode for all other letter shift of the plain text. So 26 possible shift is possible. Huh?
तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
उसका
कोई प्रॉब्लम
शिफ्ट तो हल्ला ना
शिफ्ट हो रहा है
एनक्रिप्शन यूज हो रहा है, एनक्रिप्शन यूज होकर H अगर H से रिप्लेस होगा तो वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज आवर एनक्रिप्शन एल्गोरिथम इज सो लाइक दैट. So that's why it's a weak encryption technique. That's why it's a weak encryption technique. It's a simple encryption technique, fast method, but it is a weak because if you apply brute force method, anybody can decode it, and it will not take that much time because maximum possible shift possible is 26. You try for one shift, you try for 0 shift, you try for 2.
26 का स्क्वायर टोटल
No,
26
26 shifts.
Where?
Again, I am telling you.
for one correct
26
for
not
one
good.
correct 26 for whole thing
Let's say the plain text is hello, the shift is 3. Let's say the shift is 3. So you will get K. If age is shifted 3 position, you will get K. As well, you will be shifted 3 position because it is for every letter is same. So if you can guess for one letter, you can guess for other letters. Got it? So if you can guess for one letter, if that guess is correct, the guess is correct for all other letters.
yeah
It's a fraction of second, everything will be calculated. Right? So 26 maximum shift is possible. So brute force में 26 possibility try करना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's a polynomial time, constant time, right? Okay. So this is the weaker part of this algorithm. Now let me tell second encryption technique or second classical cryptography technique is called mono alphabetic. Substitution का और एक टेक्निक है mono alphabetic. Mono alphabetic sign. What is this? Basically, same alphabet A to Z.
इंग्लिश में क्या पेन
पैर हिलाने के लिए
पैर?
कान में क्या
ऐसा कि लगता नहीं आता बोल दो प्लानस बना
ठीक है? अगर प्लेन टेक्स्ट में कोई भी ऐसे अल्फाबेट हो, in mono alphabetic cipher are actually two types. One is called simple mono alphabetic cipher. First one is the simple one. Simple. Let me talk about first simple mono alphabetic cipher technique क्या है? तो इसमें ऐसे मैपिंग है, मतलब कोई भी इंग्लिश लेटर का मैपिंग रैंडमली और एक इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट से होता है. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? लेट्स से यू मैप ए के साथ मैप किया क्यू, बी के साथ मैप किया आर, सी के साथ मैप किया लेट्स से ई, डी के साथ मैप किया ए, ई के साथ मैप किया एच, एफ के साथ मैप किया जेड एंड सो ऑन. इट्स ए रैंडम मैपिंग. एनक्रिप्शन के टाइम में ये जो की, ये इसको कहते हैं की, ये जो रैंडम मैपिंग हो रहा है फिजिकल बिट से की। सेम मैपिंग विल बी सेंड टू द रिसीवर एज वेल। Receiver also have the same mapping. Okay? Now using that mapping, a plain text, let's say hello, hello will be encrypted to the cipher text. Let's say H is mapped to it. In the plain text, H is mapped to it. Let's say it could be random L.
L.
E is mapped to it M. L is mapped to it X. L is mapped to it X. O is mapped to it, let's say Y. तो क्या होगा? L, M, X, X, Y. And this cipher text will be sent to the receiver. Receiver के पास क्या पहुंचेगा? L, M, X, X, Y. और वो सेम मैपिंग को यूज करके देखेगा कि अच्छा L इज मैप, अगर साइफर में L है उसका मतलब प्लेन में है H, अगर साइफर में M है उसका मतलब प्लेन में है E, अगर X है तो उसका मतलब L, Y है तो O। Understand? So this mapping will be have to the sender as well as receiver. Using that mapping, they actually encrypt or decrypt the message. It's called monoalphabetic simple technique. Okay? Now tell me one thing here. In the previous one, Caesar made 26 possibilities. Shifts?
यहाँ पे n into 26.
No.
For
It's a random mapping. A can be mapped to it. First take the A. First take A. A के लिए कितना possibilities है मैपिंग का?
26 possibilities.
Let's say one word is chosen, one letter is chosen for A. Q. Q reserve हो गया. Q you cannot use again.
Also 24.
B के लिए
25.
25. तो Q are reserved. Already used. C के लिए how many possibilities?
24.
So 26, 25, 24, 23. Is it not 26 factorial?
Factorial. Yes, sir.
So 26 factorial possibilities. Plain text to cipher text, which is really hard to crack. Previous one से ये ज़्यादा strong है. Understand how it's come 26 factorial possibilities?
Yes, sir.
Just take one letter, first letter, उसके लिए कितना random mapping हो सकता है? You have possible option for first one is 26. 26 ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. एक ऑप्शन को अगर ले लिया, एक लेटर को अगर ले लिया, how many is remaining? 25. Got my point?
Yes.
Any doubt on this? कोई doubt? ले सकता है, ले सकता है, नो इश्यूज. इट्स रैंडम. ए को ले सकता है, बी को ले सकता है, बी सी को ले सकता है, एक्स को ले सकता है. इट्स रैंडम. अगर एक के लिए रिजर्व हो गया तो वो और फिर से नहीं यूज होगा. ओके? This is monoalphabetic cipher simple one. Another one is called keyword based approach. Next one, keyword based monoalphabetic cipher. इसमें क्या होगा? इंक्रिप्शन कैसे होगा देखो. तो पिछले वाला था रैंडम मैपिंग, इसमें बोल रहा है सेंडर और रिसीवर दोनों एक कीवर्ड शेयर करेगा, some keyword. That keyword could be anything. Let's say they are sharing a keyword monarchy. ठीक है, दोनों के साथ ये monarchy शेयर होगा सेंडर और रिसीवर के बीच। अभी मैपिंग कैसे हो रहा है? So let me put all the letters, simple letters, one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, ऐसे करते करते Z तक, ठीक है? कीवर्ड भी मोनोअल्फाबेटिक में बोल रहा है कि ये जो कीवर्ड का लेटर है और प्लेन टेक्स्ट का जो लेटर हो रहा है A से, पहले से मैपिंग स्टार्ट कर दो दोनों को। तो A के साथ मैपिंग होगा M,
O होगा B के साथ,
B के साथ O, C के साथ M, D के साथ A, E के साथ
R,
R, F के साथ C,
monarchy keyword.
G के साथ H,
and Y.
इसके साथ Y.
H के साथ Y। ठीक है, इतना तक मैपिंग हो गया। अभी बोल रहे हैं, अभी जो जो लेटर सीरियली बाकी है सारे को सीरियली, मतलब मोनार्की हो गया। अभी बी यहाँ पे है तो लेट पुट आई के साथ B। C यहाँ पे है
A.
ऑलरेडी है, you cannot use C।
B.
D लिख सकते हैं।
E है तो let's I say K will be E and so on। Understand? ऐसे मैपिंग हुआ। अभी कोई भी if you want to say cat, let's say cat, C के साथ किसका मैपिंग? साइबर टेक्स्ट क्या होगा? ये प्लेन टेक्स्ट। C क्या होगा? T देखो क्या होता है, जो भी है कल, but the technique is same. The concept is this only.
C को उधर करके तो पहले अल्फाबेटिकली लिखेंगे, उसके बाद जो बचेगा उसको लिख देंगे।
जिसको जो बचेगा मोनार्की में जो नहीं है, कीवर्ड में नहीं है, वो सीरियली लिखते रहो। देखो जैसे मैंने मोनार्की बी नहीं है, बी लिखा, नेक्स्ट मोनार्की जहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है उसके बाद सीरियल स्टार्ट होगा। ऑलरेडी ए है तो इसने ए नहीं लिखा, बी लिखा।
सर कीवर्ड को कैसे encrypt
सी है तो सी नहीं लिख सकता, नेक्स्ट में लिख सकता है, डी नहीं है तो डी नहीं। सो व्हाट?
सर कीवर्ड कैसे encrypt होगा? कीवर्ड अगर चोरी हो गया,
Yes, sir. Keyword के साथ.
कीवर्ड को भी एनक्रिप्ट कर सकते हो।
उसके लिए और एक एन्क्रिप्शन
हाँ,
टेक्निक,
उसके लिए और एक एनक्रिप्शन टेक्निक यूज कर सकते हो।
Execution technique चोरी.
ओके,
वही बैंक से पैसे चुराएंगे।
डिड यू गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट?
Yes, sir.
Any question on this? Oscar. Important. Among the four, this is the most important and it will come in the exam. Guaranteed.
guaranteed.
So, diagram cipher, basically it's called diagram substitution technique. Diagram means the pair of letters will be encrypted instead of a single letter. It's a diagram substitution technique. Again, pair of letter will be substituted or encrypted instead of a single letter. What does that mean? Let's say you have a plain text hello. You have a plain text hello. So take pair of letter from the very beginning, HE, one pair, LL, like that. We'll talk about it's the odd number. What we have to do of the odd number we'll talk about. But just understand here, pair of letter will be chosen and that pair of letter will be substituted. Okay? This technique is actually use a grid or matrix 5 into 5 grid. Or matrix 5 into 5 matrix 5 cross 5. So 5 cross 5, how many cells will be there? 5 row 5 column. So 25 cells will be there. Now 26 English letter will be represented in the 25 cell. So this 5 into 5 grid, 5 cross 5 grid will represent 26 letters. 26 English letters. But 5 cross 5 have 25 cells. In 25 cells, how will represent 26 letters? That will show. So it's actually Playfair Cyber का first step है construct a 5 into 5 grid. First of all, at the very beginning, you choose a keyword. You choose a keyword. Let's say, for example, let's say the keyword could be anything, any English word. Let's say the keyword is monarchy. Okay? Now, draw the 5 cross 5 matrix. 5 cross 5 matrix, draw it. So 5 cross 5, 5 row. I'm just drawing 5 row. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 row and 5 column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 column. So 5 and 5 cross 5 matrix has been formed. Now you have to arrange all the letters of the English alphabets. The keyword is given the monarchy. First rule is put all the letters one by one from the keywords. Again, first is to construct the matrix. First step is put all the letters one by one into the matrix of the keyword. So first cell will be contained in, second one will be contained O, third one will be contained M, fourth one A, R, C, H, Y. So keyword has been filled. All the letter of the keyword is filled one by one. Okay? So first a keyword will be given. Keyword का हर एक letter को put in the cell. Now remaining how many cells? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 25 cells are there total. So how many cells remaining? 17 cells remaining. Now, whatever the letter is already in the keyword, you should not reuse that in the other cells. Remaining letters you should put one by one in the cells. Again, whatever letter already occurred in the keyword, that's already filled. Remaining letters one by one from A, one by one, everything will be put in the remaining blanks. Okay? So let's choose A. A is already present, you need not to put A in the blank space. B, D. So C is there, C should not be put. D.
सर एक लेटर छूट जाएगा जगह नहीं होगा.
E is there? No.
Alphabets 20.
F is not there.
सर एक अल्फाबेट छूट जाएगा।
G, then H.
H already there.
Already there, now I. Let's come to the I. I और J को एक साथ में combine करके एक सेल में put करो। Either I and J is combined. So, if you face in the plain text, if you face J, replace with I. If you face I, replace with I. So I J combined. So there are 25 set, total letters is 26. So for that, any of the two consecutive letter you can combine. So here in this technique, I J is combined. Any of you can do consecutive two letters. Okay? But in my example, I am combining I J. But two consecutive letters. Okay? Then K is there already? No. L is there? No. M is there already? M will be not written. N is there already? N will be not written.
O is there.
O is there already. Then P, Q, R.
Is there.
Oh, R is there.
S T.
Then R will be not written in the blank. Next will be S. S is there? S. T.
T. U W X Z.
U is there? No. V.
W
W.
X
X. Y is there?
Z.
Z.
Done. 5 plus 5 metric has been constructed from the keyword. Using the keyword, we have constructed the 5 plus 5. Any confusion on this to construct the matrix? Okay. Confusions? Confusions? Okay. Now, after this metric has been formed, now next step, first step is to form from the metric from the keyword. Second step is to divide the plain text letter in the pair of letters. So let's do the plain text hello. Hello. Now I will be divided it into pair of letters. So one pair will be HE. Okay? Now another pair would be LL. But there's a rules. When you find repeated letters, when you find a repeated or duplicate letters in any plain text, put X. Put X in between. तो LX एक पेयर हो गया और LO एक पेयर। Understand? When you will find a duplicate letters in the plain text like LL I got, just put X in between. X in between put करो तो पेयर क्या बनेगा? LX and then LL. Okay? This is one rules to from the pairs. Another one is suppose for constructing the pair, let's say you have a word like
Book.
and
Book.
okay? How it will we get the pair? It's odd numbers, no repeated ones.
A N N T.
A-N, one pair.
N T.
Then the rules is if you are finding odd numbers, the last one के बाद end में x put करना। If it is forming the odd number of letters, last में end में x put करना। That's all. तो last वाला जो letter है और x के साथ वो पेयर होगा।
Same वाला तो X वाला।
हाँ, अगर odd होता है In this case, ये तो पहले odd ही था, but repeated में rules है between x put करो तो LX हो गया, तो x put करने के बाद ये odd नहीं रहा, even हो गया।
यदि word Rex
अगर odd बनता after putting all x तो last में x put। Understand? This This is the example, this is the example. If you give more example, I will give.
Sir, book.
Let give me a word I will.
Book.
Huh?
Book.
Book.
Even length.
Even length, repeat.
Even like
Repeat your
one is
B.
B O उसके बीच X को करेंगे। तो B O X O ठीक है। अभी क्या रिमेनिंग है? ए वर्ड है, इसमें कोई प्यार नहीं है।
अच्छा।
X ऐसे प्यार करते करते अगर कोई रिमेनिंग हो जा रहा है जिसका कोई प्यार नहीं बन रहा है, उसके बाद एक X that's all. First is you have to make the pair. Pair, when you are making a pair, if you are see a repeated letter, put X. Then X हो गया। फिर K बाकी है। K अकेला नहीं हो सकता एक पेयर। K के लिए पेयर बनने के लिए X। That's all. Okay?
अगर रिपीट नहीं हुआ तो
रिपीट यहाँ पे हुआ था। नहीं हुआ।
इवन लेंथ वाला
हाँ तो नहीं बढ़ेंगे। तो नहीं होगा। इवन एक इवन वर्ड बोला वो तो रिपीटेड नहीं है।
Even.
Repeated मतलब consecutive, duplicate. So E ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. प्यार हो गया। प्यार बन गया। अभी एनक्रिप्ट कैसे करोगे? Now first the encrypt techniques. मैट्रिक्स पहला स्टेप है मैट्रिक्स बनाओ, फिर प्लेन टेक्स्ट से पेयर ऑफ वर्ड बनाओ। हो गया। सेकंड स्टेप एनक्रिप्शन। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। सी okay. So I am taking a plain text hello and I will encrypt it. Plain text hello. Cipher text क्या बनेगा? Using this plain text technique, ये है plain text. Plain text है hello. ठीक है? इसका पेयर ऑफ वर्ड क्या क्या होगा?
H
H एक
L S L O.
ठीक है? पेयर बन गया। अभी इसको एनक्रिप्ट करेंगे। पेयर एनक्रिप्ट। ठीक है? As I said earlier, it's a diagram substitution technique. Diagram means pair of letters encrypted instead of a serial. Now, encryption का कुछ rules होता है। See the rules. Encryption rules I am writing here. Encryption rules. Three rules are there. Let me write down first two rules and show you example. Let me give the first two rules and some example on that. First rules: if pair in same row of the matrix, same row of the matrix, and second one is if pair in same color. दोनों का rules. That means what I am saying. Let's take a pair. Let's say एक plain text है, उसमें ऐसे आया है O है, एक वर्ड plain text में O है, ठीक है? let's check my matrix OA is in same row. If it is same row, replace each right letter with right letter of each of the same. Replace each with right letter of each of the same. So O का सेम रो में राइट क्या है? नेक्स्ट राइट, वेरी नेक्स्ट राइट M, so it will be replaced with M. A का वेरी राइट में क्या है? So it will be replaced with R. So O A will be become A now in the cipher. Another example, let's have C D. प्लेन टेक्स्ट में लेट्स से CD आया है, एक पेयर बना, उसका एन्क्रिप्टेड वर्जन में क्या होगा? CD आर इन सेम रो, फर्स्ट टेक्स्ट C का राइट, नेक्स्ट राइट, वेरी नेक्स्ट राइट H, D का राइट मतलब ये घूम के यहाँ पे आया, तो क्या होगा?
C.
This is the encrypted. Okay? So you got if they are in the same row, any confusion? If both the pair in the same row, what you have to do? Any confusion on this? You record more example. If I take more example, let's say PT. Plain text में PT आया है. PT. पहले P को पकड़ो. P और T सेम रो में है. P को पकड़ो. If same row, P को पकड़ो. P का राइट में, very next राइट. क्यों? T का राइट मतलब कि यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है उसके बाद क्या? रिवर्स. ड्रॉप अराउंड हो जाए. क्या है? L. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay. This is the rule for same row. If it is in same column, then what is the rule? So let me write. Replace each. If it is same column, replace each with next down letter. Next down letter of it. Of the same color.
Same column.
Replace each with the next down letter of the same color. Let's say
HF.
the rule says for if the pair in the same column, that for that it is the rules. Let's say HP इसको एन्क्रिप्ट करो, कैसे होगा?
FV.
H will be replaced by F, P will be replaced by P. तो साइफर टेक्स्ट में FV इसका रिप्लेसमेंट, ठीक है? Another example, NW
YN.
Y W के नीचे मतलब यहाँ पे ड्रॉप अराउंड हो जाता है, ठीक है? क्या होगा?
G.
Y N
Y.
cipher. Both are very straightforward. Nothing is there. ठीक है? तो एन्क्रिप्शन का दो रूल्स और एक रूल्स. ये तो सेम रो सेम कलर. अगर अभी देखो, दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट रूल टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ रूल यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ। The third rule is, if it is not in same row, if it is not in same column, that means what it is doing? Third rule is, if it is forming rectangle, what that does mean? If it is, if the pair, if it is forming, if the pair forming rectangle, what does that mean? Let me tell you. Choose two pairs जो सेम रो सेम कॉलम में नहीं है, ऐसे दो पेयर को चूज करो। Any
H G
हाँ?
H G
S and G,
H and G
H and G, okay। H and G सेम रो में नहीं है, सेम कॉलम में भी नहीं है। What to do? Just draw a rectangle to cover it. Draw a rectangle to cover it. तो H से start हो रहा है, H Y Z, ऐसा एक rectangle draw to cover it. To start with H and G will be another partner. एक rectangle draw to cover it, just cover it. अगर LZ, let's say LZ, let's say LZ आया प्लेन टेक्स्ट में, LZ सेम रो में नहीं है, सेम कॉलम में नहीं है, तो क्या करोगे?
रेक्टेंगल
ड्रॉ ए रेक्टेंगल। L से स्टार्ट करो, Z को कवर करना है, तो ऐसे बड़ा रेक्टेंगल बनाना है, ठीक है? Did you got it? रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ हो गया अभी। So that's what I'm telling you. If it is forming a rectangle, then what is the rules? Then the rules is, writing the rules. Replace each with the letter of opposite corner, with the letter of the opposite corner of the rectangle. Rectangle. Bracket में the opposite corner should be within the same row.
हॉरिजॉन्टली
Same row opposite corner letter. Replace that letter with the opposite corner जो rectangle का opposite corner में है, but make sure that corner should be in the same row of the plain text letter. Let me give you example. तो H और G को बोला था, तो H और G अगर plain text में appear होता है, that is forming a rectangle H and G. इसको कैसे रिप्लेस करना है? Let's take this rectangle, draw करो पहले। H का opposite corner में same row में कौन है? Same row में कौन है? Opposite corner का rectangle का Y। C का opposite corner का rectangle का opposite corner में कौन है? F। मैंने नहीं बोला कि opposite corner of the same column, नहीं बोला। अगर same column बोलता तो H will be replaced by A, G will be replaced by Y। बोला same row तो H will be replaced by Y, G will be replaced by F। Opposite corner but same row, ठीक है? Let's take another example. Let's take LZ in the plain text. LZ जो rectangle form हो रहा है, तो L is one corner, Z is another corner. Now L will be replaced opposite corner but same row. तो L का opposite corner का same row में कौन है? T. Opposite corner of the same row, L जो row में है, उस row का opposite corner, तो क्या है ये?
T.
T. Z का opposite corner of the same row
U.
U. ठीक है? This is the rules, third rules. So these three rules for the encryptions. Now let me show you some word, plain text, and show you the encryption ciphertext. तो hello, हमारा example क्या है? So I am just erasing it, okay? Erasing. Now the plain text is hello. Plain text is hello. What will be the corresponding ciphertext if you apply playfire cipher? Ciphertext क्या होगा? उसके पहले let break it into a pair HELX LO. This is one pair, another pair, another pair. Okay? Now, let me remove all this. All the rectangle I have brought. Okay. So HE rectangle होगा. Same रो में नहीं है, same कलर में भी नहीं है. HE rectangle. ठीक है? So tell me what will happen.
CF.
Ciphertext क्या होगा?
CF.
CF. Now take LX.
SU.
L. Sorry. LX. LX. Rectangle.
CFSU MP MP ना
क्या होगा?
PM.
SU.
SU.
LO.
PM.
LO.
L opposite M ना
PO.
PO.
तो साइफर टेक्स्ट बनेगा CF.
PO.
SU.
सर
PO.
सर PO.
PM ना
PM.
PM
LO. P.
LOPM
OM. Sorry.
horizontal same row.
Prime Minister
PM.
PM
MP की मतलब
This is the ciphertext. Okay? I will not tell now. ये ciphertext sender plain text से ciphertext generate करेगा by using playfire cipher and it will send to the receiver. Now receiver will be decrypt using the same algorithm
उल्टा कर दो
but उल्टा.
अच्छा
वो भी पेयर बनाएगा. पेयर होगा उसके पास रिसीवर के पास CF, SU, PM. Now अगर सेम रो है वो रूल्स बट सेम रो है वो रूल्स बट इंस्टेड ऑफ राइट लेफ्ट लेटर इमीडिएट लेफ्ट लेटर. सेम कलम है तो इंस्टेड ऑफ डाउन इमीडिएट डाउन अप. ठीक है? समझ आ रहा है? जब एन्क्रिप्शन होगा और डिक्रिप्शन एन्क्रिप्शन में जो हुआ है डिक्रिप्शन जो हुआ उसका उल्टा. सेम रो में जब डिक्रिप्ट करेंगे तब सेम रो में
प्रीवियस
तो लेफ्ट की जगह राइट की जगह लेफ्ट और ये डाउन की जगह अप सेम कलम के लिए. और रेक्टेंगल अगर हो रहा है तो सेम कॉर्नर. अब
उसमें L and O के लिए फिर भी MP रहेगा PM
सेम रो का सेम रो ऑपोजिट कॉर्नर.
डिक्रिप्शन टाइम रे रेक्टेंगल रे कौन है
नहीं L will be first in place.
LP
L will be first in place. P L will be first L opposite partner same row one है O
Same.
O will be now replaced opposite partner in the same row
Yes,
N
left.
of the rectangle
Same row में
ठीक
left
है?
up होगा, जुड़ेगा उल्टा हो जाएगा। फिर same.
डिफरेंट होगा सेम रूल्स बट आप डाउन की जगह आप और राइट की जगह लो और रेक्टेंगल ही होगा opposite corner of the same okay now I am giving you a word gift
Give.
बोलो इसका क्या है इसमें इसी में हाँ
I के G के बाद I
इधर पड़ेगा P के
बोलो
G के लिए क्या?
so pair of word making C I J K
I
F T ठीक है
I के
G will be replaced. C and I is the same row. C will be replaced by I will be replaced by K. तो होगा I K. This will be I K.
J के नहीं हो सकता।
F G
P के
F T. Forming a rectangle
के पी
के P के
K P.
आंसर
This will be K.
आई के
So the I K K. ठीक है?
सर G कहाँ से?
J
J के नहीं हो सकता। J के
मैं वही बोला J जब भी आएगा या I जो भी आएगा वो I से ही होगा।
P के भी तो सकता है
I always I.
ये तो P के भी
J actually J को actually कैप्चर नहीं हो रहा है J को हम नहीं पकड़ रहे अगर J प्लेन टेक्स्ट में है उसके जगह पे हम I मान लेट्स से GIFT गिफ्ट आया तो I
तो लेटा MP के
I जहाँ पे है उसका जो राइट कॉर्नर में है वही लेट्स से योर प्लेन टेक्स्ट आया Give me a word with Z. Z से बोलो. Joker.
Jack.
Joker Z.
Jack
Oh, okay. Z.
Joker.
Jack
अब joke.
लिखे जाए।
Joke. ठीक है? तो Z O. तो Z के ऑपोजिट I और Z जो भी है उसका ऑपोजिट कौन है? E. तो Z O K तो एक पेयर बना तो Z यहाँ पे है O यहाँ पे है ठीक है तो Z के ऑपोजिट F
F A
O के ऑपोजिट R तो F
A
R
सर F A
देखो Z O K मैं कर रहा हूँ Z O is a one pair तो ये है ये है J और ये है O तो बना बोलो क्या
F
F A
F A Z के ऑपोजिट जो है सेम रो में है और O के ऑपोजिट सेम रो में है ठीक है कैसे K sorry
E F
K E F
E F
ठीक है that's all
5
समझ आया
Yes
ओके बस